Hi guys, this is Abi from MongoDB. In this video, we are going to learn how to install MongoDB on a Mac. Let's start by going to the downloads page for the MongoDB community server, then hit the download button. Next, double click on the TGZ file to extract the contents and open up your terminal. I'm going to use the mv command to move this folder to my Dropbox directory. Then change the name of this folder to MongoDB. Next, use the cd command to go inside the MongoDB folder. Then use MKDIR to create a new data directory. Inside the data directory, create a DB folder. Then go back to the bin folder under MongoDB. To run the MongoDB server, we need to execute the MongoD script. Make sure to give this script necessary permissions by going to Security and Privacy Preferences and clicking on Allow Anyway. We also need to pass the DB path parameter with the location of our DataDB folder. Looks like the command worked and the server came up without any issues. To exit, hit Ctrl+C. Next, I'm going to create a logs folder where we can redirect server logs. This time when I bring the server up, I'm going to redirect all the server logs under the logs folder. I'm also using 2 greater than &1 to redirect all the errors to the same log, followed by an ampersand, which means to run this command in background. You can also use the ps command to verify that the MongoDB process is indeed running in the background. Use the less command to verify that the server logs are being written to the log file. Next, let's go back to the bin directory and execute the Mongo script to start the client. Make sure to give any necessary permissions to the Mongo script just like before. Now you should be able to run commands like show dbs or help to get a list of helpful commands. To exit the client, type exit. And to kill the server, use the ps command to get the process ID, then use the kill command. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.